You know, a little less salt could go a long way in reducing the risk of heart disease, according to a new study published today.
It is more proof that eating a healthy diet and reducing added salt can really save lives. Health reporter Stephanie Stahl here with more on how to break this all down for us in this new research.
New research out today. Doctors say this new research shows that just adding less salt to food, not removing it entirely, can make a big difference. Stop shaking salt on your food and reduce the risk of heart disease, according to new research.
We consume probably more than 50% more sodium than we really need for our diets.
The new study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology looks at data from more than 175,000 participants from the UK who filled out questionnaires about the frequency of adding salt to foods, not including the salt used in cooking. Those who didn't add salt had lower rates of heart disease. Consuming too much salt is known to increase blood pressure, a leading cause of cardiovascular disease.
High blood pressure is an epidemic. 1 in 3 adults has high blood pressure, and high blood pressure contributes to stroke, heart disease, and congestive heart failure, which are the leading causes of death in the United States.
The American Heart Association says more than 70% of sodium we eat comes from processed and restaurant food. Only about 11% comes from food prepared and cooked at home. The new research also examined adding salt and the DASH diet. That diet was developed to prevent hypertension or high blood pressure by limiting red and processed meats and focusing on fruits and vegetables, low-fat dairy, and nuts. Patients who ate a DASH diet and had a low frequency of adding salt had the lowest risk of heart disease. And this new research also found that women are less likely than men to add salt to food. Also, in terms of processed food, what has the highest amount of salt? The CDC says soup and lunch meat, kind of obvious there. You might be surprised to know bread and rolls are third on the list.
Wow.
Containing a lot of salt.
I did not know that.
I did know there was a lot of salt in foods already, but bread and rolls too?
Processed foods typically really have a lot, but bread and rolls,
Good stuff. All right, Stephanie. Good
All
heads
the
up.
things I love.
I know. How about it?
Thanks, Steph.